You'll get to know the 9 rules of money the rich follow, but you don't. The ninth rule is a secret one and is not known to most people. So keep watching this video till the end to know it. Now let's start. Number 1. Prioritize your investments before allocating funds for expenses. Individuals who have achieved financial success tend to have a unique perspective on managing their finances compared to the average person. Rather than waiting until the end of the month to see what can be saved, individuals should prioritize allocating a portion of their earnings towards investments right away before addressing any expenses. This strategy of prioritizing your savings first promotes steady wealth accumulation despite the financial challenges that life may present. The focus should be on the regularity of your investment habits rather than the initial sum you contribute. For instance, individuals who accumulate wealth frequently establish automatic transfers that direct funds into investment accounts on payday. This straightforward automation eliminates emotional factors and approaches wealth accumulation as an essential priority rather than a secondary consideration. Individuals aiming to enhance their net worth establish a solid groundwork for sustained financial advancement by considering investing as an essential expenditure, akin to rent or utilities. They recognize that the financial choices they make today will significantly influence their future independence and prosperity. Number 2. Focus on creating assets that generate income. While many emphasize showcasing their wealth with luxury vehicles, large homes, and high-end fashion, affluent individuals concentrate on building a portfolio of income-generating assets. They recognize that true financial prosperity is achieved through acquiring assets that generate income passively. Consider assets such as rental properties that yield monthly income, dividend-paying stocks that offer quarterly returns, cash-flowing digital assets, or businesses that generate consistent profits. It is essential to concentrate on investments that increase in value or provide consistent returns. Affluent individuals frequently maintain a lifestyle that is significantly more modest than their financial capacity during the initial phases of accumulating wealth. They allocate funds that might otherwise be used for luxury purchases into investments designed to build future wealth. This strategy of postponing immediate rewards might appear unconventional, yet it is essential for building lasting wealth. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Number 3. Consider financial education an essential investment. Affluent individuals continuously seek to enhance their understanding of financial management, investment approaches, and market trends. They consider financial education to be as essential as professional skills and allocate time and resources to enhance their understanding of financial matters. This ongoing education enables individuals to recognize potential opportunities, steer clear of expensive errors, and adjust to evolving market conditions. They recognize that markets are dynamic, tax regulations can shift, and innovative investment options arise. Individuals dedicate time to exploring financial publications and top literature on wealth management, participating in workshops, and seeking advice from specialists to enhance their strategies for building wealth. This education goes beyond theory. It empowers individuals to implement their knowledge for improved financial decision-making. Number 4. Excel in utilizing the resources and efforts of others. Wealthy individuals recognize that achieving substantial financial growth necessitates the use of leverage. They effectively leverage the time of others through delegation and utilize external capital through strategic borrowing to enhance their wealth accumulation. This could involve securing a low-interest loan to acquire an investment property, utilizing bank financing to grow a business, or engaging qualified professionals to manage specialized responsibilities. Utilizing leverage in a prudent manner is essential for enhancing one's ability to build wealth. Effective leverage enables affluent individuals to amplify their endeavors beyond their individual capabilities. They recognize the distinction between beneficial debt, which is utilized to obtain assets, and detrimental debt, which is incurred for consumption purposes. Number 5. Build and nurture strategic professional connections that generate opportunities. Affluent individuals understand that opportunities frequently arise from connections. They strategically cultivate and sustain connections across diverse sectors and communities, recognizing that achievement seldom occurs in solitude. Such connections frequently result in potential investment avenues, collaborative business ventures, and critical insights that may not be accessible to the broader audience. They view networking as a strategic commitment to their future prosperity rather than a mere immediate exchange. They recognize the significance of providing value prior to anticipating any returns. Assisting others in achieving their success fosters a community of individuals eager to exchange opportunities and bolster each other's objectives. Number 6. Consider money as a tool for creating value, rather than just a resource for spending. Individuals with substantial financial resources perceive money in a unique way, viewing it not merely as an expenditure, but as a means to generate additional value. Individuals frequently evaluate how to optimize their resources to create greater value, whether by launching enterprises, exploring investment opportunities, or financing solutions to challenges. This change in perspective redefines money as not just a limited resource, but as a foundation for cultivating wealth. Rather than inquiring, "What can I purchase?" they consider, "How can I leverage this capital to generate additional value?" This viewpoint results in varied choices regarding the allocation of financial assets. Rather than exhausting funds through consumption, we ought to allocate them towards building and creating value. Number 7. Safeguard your assets by implementing appropriate legal and insurance frameworks. Accumulating assets is just one aspect. Safeguarding them holds equal significance. Affluent individuals establish appropriate legal frameworks for their assets, ensure robust insurance protection, and execute thoughtful estate planning approaches. They recognize that a single adverse occurrence can significantly undermine years of wealth accumulation if adequate safeguards are not in place. This involves selecting suitable business structures, ensuring sufficient insurance protection, and developing comprehensive estate plans. To reduce risk, it is essential to implement protection strategies that involve diversification across various asset classes and geographic regions. Regardless of how appealing that opportunity may appear, it's wise to avoid concentrating all resources in a single option. Number 8. Cultivate various sources of income rather than depending solely on one salary. Diversification of income streams is a common strategy among affluent individuals. They establish various revenue streams through different investments and business initiatives, recognizing that diversification offers both security and potential for growth. These various income sources may encompass earnings from investments that require little ongoing effort, revenue generated from business activities, and returns derived from financial assets. Every stream contributes to their overall financial security and capacity for wealth accumulation. Number 9. Embrace calculated risks rather than shying away from all risks. While numerous individuals steer clear of any financial risks, those with substantial wealth recognize that taking calculated risks is crucial for building and enhancing their financial prosperity. They conduct a thorough evaluation of prospective investments, taking into account both the associated risks and the possible returns. This calculated strategy towards risk enables them to capitalize on opportunities while safeguarding their potential losses. Now watch the video appearing on the right side to know the signs that show a person is secretly rich yet chooses frugality. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.